Hello everyone, and I am very happy to inform all of you that today I have finished my first book of this transformation journey, and the book name is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and its writer is Dr. Joseph Murphy. And in this book, Dr. Joseph Murphy had told us how much our subconscious mind is so powerful. Whatever we think and we believe in our conscious mind, our subconscious mind have the power to make it true. If we have positive beliefs and positive thoughts in our conscious mind, then our subconscious mind makes it positive and make success in our life. But if we have negative beliefs, then our subconscious mind grow it and revert negative things in our life. Whatever we think and whatever we believe, our subconscious mind just make it true. And Dr. Joseph Murphy have explained how your subconscious mind influence every aspect of your life. By understanding this power, we can control and improve the quality of our daily life, from getting promotion, from getting wealth, from getting everything whatever we think, whatever we want in our life. We can have that by only this power of our supreme power of our subconscious mind. So this subconscious mind is so powerful that it can open a world of success, happiness, and prosperity and peace for all of us. And I want to thank everyone who have contributed to finish this book, to help me to read this book. And first of all, I want to thank my mentor and guru, Master Amol Karale, who inspired me to read this book. After that, Ma'am Anuradha Shetty, he told me how to read books. He told me whatever, how, in which way we can read this book. And above and with all these persons, I'm very thankful to my Super 30 D group. And thank you all of you to watching this video. Thank you.